What if I told you better sleep was as simple as flipping a switch? Meet your new best friend, the Yogasleep Dohm Classic, the original white noise machine that's been helping people sleep better for over 60 years. It uses real fan-based white noise to block out distractions and help calm your mind. It has 2 different modes, a high mode by clicking down and a low mode by clicking up. You simply twist the cap at the top to adjust the tone, and you twist the collar at the bottom to adjust the sound. So whether you're sleeping, meditating, or just need to focus, this little machine makes peace sound easy. I've been using this machine every night for a couple of weeks, and I've been falling into the deepest REM sleep, which leaves me waking up super refreshed and rejuvenated. So be sure to grab yours today to experience your deepest sleep yet.